How to paint a whimsical girl on an art journal page. Acrylic painting ideas. Welcome to the Ayala Art I Love to Paint channel. This is your artsy friend Martha. If you are art inclined, love painting, drawing, art journaling, and mixed media, this is your channel and I am very happy that you're here. Today is my birthday and I wanted to celebrate it making some art and spending some time with you. So I'm very happy that you're here. If you're new to this channel, I hope you find something that you like to make you click on the subscribe button and that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload a video. Also, if you like this video, it would make me extremely happy if you share it all over the place. That'll be a very nice way to tell me happy birthday. First, I created a face with a very simple line. If you don't know how to draw, I have several playlists on how to help you learn how to draw a face. And after that, after I created my little whimsical girl holding a cupcake, I started adding the color. I use different kinds of mediums. I use acrylic paint and markers and some pastel crayons. If you like any of the things that you see in this video, I have the products on the information box below. I have a little affiliate link so you can shop from there if you like shopping online. Don't be afraid of making any mistakes. You have an eraser and you can always add more painting. It doesn't matter. Every new page and every new painting that you create is an opportunity to improve your art. And we have to love every single little page that we make or a little canvas because it's the stepping stones to get better. And every day we can create something new to us. If you like creating, just let that be, let it flow. It's something that you have inside. It's something that beautiful that is wanting to be painted on a paper. You can always open a new page or get a fresh canvas or give it a coat of gesso. If you have something in you that wants to create, just practice, let yourself be, try different styles, different techniques, different materials. Maybe you're better at crayons than markers, or maybe better at markers than acrylic paint, or maybe pastels is your thing. I have tried several different mediums because each of them offers you a different experience. don't stop yourself. But if you find that something else is easier, like for me, acrylics is just so fluid and so nice, you can always fix your mistakes. We all make mistakes and we all learn. And every day is a new opportunity to learn a new thing. I hope you enjoy every day making a little bit of art. I would love to hear your comments. Keep creating and remember to keep your paintbrush wet.